So prove that the line to the point x1, y1 and parallel to the line of ax plus by plus equal to 0 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. So you know that any line parallel to the line ax plus b into y plus c is equal to 0 is of the form. Write the first two term as it is here, ax plus by. That replace c by k plus k is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 here. So this line passing to the point x1, y1 here. This line passes through the point x1, y1 is. Put x equal to x1 and y equal to y1 here. ax1 plus by1 plus k is equal to 0. Take both term left side, right hand side here. So k is equal to minus of ax1 minus of by1 here. Use this k in the equation 1 here. Therefore, equation 1 becomes ax plus by, k is this here, minus of ax1 minus of by1 equal to 0. From these two, a common factor here. So write a outside here, x minus of x1 plus. Then here take b common factor here. So write b outside of y minus y1 is equal to 0. So this is the required result here. Two lines passing to the point 2, 3 intersect each other at an angle of 60 degrees. If a slope of one line is 2, then find the slope of equation of the other line here. So two lines here passing to the point 2, 3 here. Slope of one line, consider m1 is equal to 2 here. We don't know slope of the other line here, consider it as m here. Okay. So therefore let m1 is equal to 2 be the slope of one line and m2 is equal to m be the slope of other line here. Slope of the other line. Therefore, angle between the two lines they are already given here 60 degree. And angle between two lines is 60 degrees. Therefore, you know the formula tan of theta is equal to modulus of m2 minus of m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula. So tan of 60 degree is equal to m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into m here. And I know tan 60 degree value is root 3. Hence root 3 is equal to modulus of m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into m here. If you remove this modulus sign, then this becomes a plus or minus here. Therefore, plus or minus root 3 is equal to m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into m here. So therefore take a first time of plus sign here. Root 3 is equal to m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 m here. And the second time we take a minus sign here. Minus of root 3 is equal to m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into m here. Therefore taking a first result here. Therefore, this implies here cross multiply, take 1 plus 2 m this side, root 3 into 1 plus 2 m is equal to m minus 2 m. Therefore, this implies here root 3 into 1 becomes the root of 3 plus root 3 into 2 m. 2 root 3 m is equal to m minus 2 m. Therefore, this implies here, take a root 3 that side, m this side here, 2 root 3 into m minus of m is equal to minus root 3 minus of 2 m. Therefore, this implies m is the common factor here, 2 root 3 minus of 1 into m is equal to minus the common factor here, root 3 plus 2 m. Then the cross multiply, so this implies m is equal to minus of root 3 plus 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus of 1. Cross multiply, we get this result. Or one more result is there. Here also take this one, this one here. Minus of root 3 into 1 plus 2 m is equal to m minus 2 is there. Right here, m minus 2. Take root 3 inside here, minus root 3 inside here, minus of root 3 minus 2 root 3 into m is equal to m minus 2 here. Take minus 2 this side, this term that side here, minus root 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 root 3 m plus m. Then minus of minus common factor here. Root 3 minus of 2 is equal to 2 root 3 plus 1 into m here. And the cross multiplier, we get m is equal to minus root 3 minus 2 divided by 2 root 3 plus 1 here. Root 3 plus 1. Therefore, there are 2 m values here. Therefore, equation of the line, equation of the line passing through the point 2, 3 here, 2, 3 with the slope. Take this here, minus of root 3 plus 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus 1 is y minus 3 here. Slope is minus of root 3 plus 2 divided by 2 root 3 minus 1 into x minus 2 here. Now take this term this side here. So 2 root 3 minus 1 into y minus 3 is equal to minus of root 3 plus 2 into x minus 2 here. Cross multiply. Now take this term inside the bracket here. So 2 root 3 minus 1 into y here. Minus sign is this into this 2 root 3 minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus of into this, minus this term into this here, minus of root 3 plus 2 into x, minus into minus becomes plus here, root 3 plus 2 into 2s into 2. Now take the term left side here. This minus becomes a plus here. Yes, root 3 plus 2 into x. Then write this term here. Then plus 2 root 3 minus of 1 into y. Then write this term here. Minus of 2 root 3 minus 1 into 3. Take this term this side here. Minus of root 3 plus 2 into 3 into 2. Now you simplify here. Yes, take this 3 and minus inside the bracket and this 2 and minus inside the bracket here. Therefore, root 3 plus 2 into x. Keep as it is here. Root 3 plus 2 into x plus 2 root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 3s are 6 here minus 6 root 3 minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3 here. Then the minus of root 3 into 2 2 root 3 minus into plus minus of 2 2s are 4 is equal to 0. Yes, root 3 plus 2 into x plus 2 root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 6 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus of 8 root 3 and 3 minus 4 gives minus of 1 is equal to 0. So this is one line here. Similarly, one more slope is there and equation of the line passing through the point 2 3 here with the slope take this one here. So minus of root 3 minus 2 divided by 2 root 3 plus 1 is so y minus 3 is equal to minus of root 3 minus 2 divided by 2 root 3 plus 1 into x minus of 2 here. Again take 2 root 3 plus 1 this side here. So therefore 2 root 3 plus 1 into y minus of 3 here is equal to minus of root 3 minus 2 into x minus 2 here. Take this term inside the bracket here and this term inside this bracket. 2 root 3 plus 1 into y. 2 root 3 plus 1 into y minus 2 root 3 plus 1 into 3 here. 2 root 3 plus 1 into 3 is equal to minus of root 3 minus 2 into x minus minus plus here. Then the root 3 minus 2 into 2 here. Take both the term left side here, minus becomes a plus here. Hence root 3 minus of 2 into x here. Then write this term here plus 2 root 3 plus 1 into y minus of 2 root 3 plus 1 into 3 here. Then minus of root 3 minus 2 into 2 that is equal to 0. Yes, so root 3 minus 2 into x here. Root 3 minus 2 into x plus 2 root 3 plus 1 into y here. Take minus and 3 inside the bracket. Minus 3 2s are 6 here. 6 root 3 minus of 3 minus 2 root 3 into root 3 into 2 here. Minus of 2 root 3 minus into minus plus here. 2 2s are 4. is equal to 0. Yes, root 3 minus 2 into x plus 2 root 3 plus 1 into y minus 6 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus of 8 root 3 and minus 3 plus 4 gives plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is one more line. Okay. So there are two lines here passing to the point 2 and 3 and making angle 60 degree with a given line with a slope 2 here.